Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change your own memory RAM. It's pretty simple, okay? Just take your laptop, this is a Dell. Just the only thing that you have to do is to RAM. And here you will see a couple panels. Here is the battery and here's the panel that we're gonna open, okay? So first of all, always you have to take off the battery first. Okay, if not you can break anything inside the laptop. Here we're gonna use this screwdriver. We're gonna open the panel. This only screwdriver here, at least in this kind of laptop. Okay, we're gonna lose the screw, okay? So we're gonna take out the panel, and here we will see the memory here in this part. This is the hard drive, okay? So we're gonna only take off this one. So we're gonna move this here, and we're gonna take the new memory. Okay, this is a Hyper Impact. It's a very good memory. It's very fast, and it's a 8 gigabytes. Okay. So here we have to make sure that memory fit in the socket. It fits perfect. So we're gonna close the panel again. So we're gonna put it here. I'm gonna put the screw back. Now we're gonna put the battery back. It's the last thing that we have to connect, okay? Now we're gonna open the laptop. We're gonna check if the memory is working or not. Always, this step take a while, because it's a new memory that we are installing in the laptop. So probably take a couple seconds more than before it was doing its process, okay? But right now, the system is gonna be faster because it has 8 gigabytes of RAM before it has 4. See, right now it's working perfect. The operating system is working good. If the memory RAM is not working, you won't have video in your screen. Okay, so here I am opening right now the system. We're gonna check if the operating system recognize the memory. Okay, still loading. Take a while, just like I said before, because it's a new memory. Okay. Don't worry when you change the memory for your first time, you will see that take a while. Okay, so here right now we're gonna go to my PC or this PC, and we're gonna check the properties. Properties here. And here we go. We have 8 gigabytes working in our system. Okay, so I hope that you can use this video for the next time that you install your own memory RAM, so you don't need to call any technician. You can do it by yourself. Okay, guys, have a beautiful day and enjoy the rest of the day. Okay, bye bye.